This is the Surrey Top headliner and rear screen retrim kit for the TR4, TR4A, TR5 and TR250. It's obviously for the Surrey Top versions of the car only. So this is the main headliner kit here, and then you've got loose materials there for the rear screen and surround areas at the back of the car where the Surrey Top window is, rear window. So the headliner, this has been done in a Woolcloth material, so it's completely non-original for the cars, but very nice. It's the same sort of headlining material that Jaguar used in the same sort of era. Normally this is supplied in a PVC headlining material in sort of white colour or black. Other choices are occasionally available, but they're the main common ones. Then Woolcloth like this we can offer in beige, grey or green, but always contact us for samples if you wish. So this is the front of the car up here, this is the back of the car, this is obviously the underside here, so I can show you the loops. So we pre-sew scrim loops in here. As you can see, we've got our little label in there. Let me go to the next one up so you can actually see. So like that, you can just about see, you can get the rods through there that attach it to the car. So that's for attaching it to the actual roof, and then as you can see here, you just get the seam lines going across. So that is your kit, including the retrim kit at the back there.